A very warm welcome to Tech Mining. If you are looking for a free and professional video editor for YouTube or some other platform, then you have landed on the right spot. This video will provide overview of some best-in-class free video editing software being used by professional YouTubers with no watermarks and no time limitations. This tutorial series is rolled out to teach you these free video editing software, so roll up your sleeves and get warm up for the thrill, which starts with this Shotcut introductory video. The next free video editor on our chart is Shotcut, which is a free, open source, and cross-platform video editor with no watermarks. We have made Shotcut very simple for absolute beginners with a tutorial series on our channel. Shotcut supports a wide array of audio and video formats. Supported image formats include BMP, GIF, JPEG, PNG, SVG, TIFF, and WebP. Allows webcam and audio capture, and it also supports 4K resolution. You can export single frame as image or video as image sequence. Shotcut has many audio features such as audio scopes, volume control, audio filters, fade in and fade out. Audio mixing across all tracks and record directly to timeline for voiceover are also available in Shotcut. You can add audio filters like balance, bandpass, gain, equalizer and more. With dozens of video filters provided by Shotcut, you can add stunning effects to your videos. 360-degree video filters, speed effect for audio and video clips, and reversing a clip are the features you need to turn your video into a masterpiece. There is a long list of Shotcut editing features. Some of the most common features are trimming on source clip player or timeline with ripple option, hide, mute, and lock track controls. Keyframes for filter parameters. Detach audio from video clip. Multi-select items in the playlist and timeline. Shotcut is a cross-platform video editing software that supports Windows, Linux, and macOS. It is also codec independent, so it does not rely on system codecs. UI translations are available in more than 24 languages. Moreover, external monitoring is available via Blackmagic Deck Link card on NTSC monitor. External monitoring can also be done on an extra system monitor. To begin with, first, you will download the free Shotcut software for your OS platform and install it. Shotcut is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. A complete tutorial series on how to download, install, and use Shotcut is available on our channel for free. After installing Shotcut, you create a project and specify a location for the project. The default automatic video mode sets the resolution and frame rate based on the first file you add to the project. It has various other modes to choose from if you want to. You can pick 1080p with different FPS, and you can also select 4K mode. There are many options that you can use to open the project's media files. You can open a single file. When you open a file, its preview is displayed under the Source tab. Play and pause the video using this button. You can drag the video from the preview pane, and drop it into the playlist area. If you want to open multiple files at once, open the project folder, select the files, and drag them onto the playlist pane. One more way to add the files to the playlist is to use this Add Files to Playlist icon. Select the files, and press Open. These are some glimpses that you will produce using the Shotcut tutorial series available on our channel. A link is provided for the tutorial series in this video description below. If you are excited to create your videos in Shotcut, then stick around to Tech Mining. We are uploading a free tutorial series that will teach you everything you need to know about Shotcut. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.